How to make color roles on Discord Mobile. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's get started. First thing first, move into your application Discord. Enter your login credentials and make sure you are logged into a specific account. Head over to the inbox section. Now move into the server that you want to create a color role. Once you're in here, tap on the server name. Head over to settings right over here. Scroll down and you'll see the feature of roles inside user management. Click on it. Tap on create role. Now you can erase this role name and then enter a new one. Let me enter VIP. After that, you can also change the role color. Let me select this color for now and then click on save. Once done, tap on create at the bottom of the screen. Now you can set up permissions. You can set till member, moderate, and also manager. Once selected, click on select at the bottom. You can also add members from here or you can skip it. The color role has been added on a Discord server. Now if you want to give the permission, then go back and head over to members inside user management. Choose any of the member that you want to give the role. Now tap on edit roles. Select VIP and then click on save. And there you go, the color role has also been created and the permission has also been given. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.